whose viral challenges and philanthropy have skyrocketed him to a staggering $100 million fortune. And let's not forget Marques Brownlee, the tech reviewer who's built a $40 million empire by consistently delivering top-notch content. Their journeys highlight a powerful truth. With persistence, strategic planning, and smart monetization, YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a pathway to financial freedom and lasting wealth. The potential is limitless if you're willing to put in the work. Creating high-quality, engaging content is essential for connecting with your audience. Focus on providing value, whether you're educating, entertaining, or inspiring viewers. Leveraging AI tools for video generation can streamline your process, while eye-catching thumbnails grab attention. Consistency is key. Successful YouTubers post regularly, whether it's daily or weekly, to keep their audience coming back for more. Remember, video editing can make or break your content. Tools like VIO and Clipchamp can elevate your production quality, making your videos not just watchable, but memorable. Stay committed, keep creating, and watch your audience grow. Ad revenue. Optimizing content for maximum earnings is all about strategic planning. First, consider creating longer videos, aim for 8 minutes or more. This opens the door for mid-roll ads, significantly boosting your revenue potential. Next, dive into SEO techniques. Incorporating the right keywords is crucial, and tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can be game changers for ranking higher in search results. Don't overlook the power of playlists. Organizing your videos encourages binge watching, which extends watch time and enhances your channel's overall performance. By combining these strategies, you're not just creating content, you're building a revenue-generating machine. Achieving financial success on YouTube is all about consistency and scaling up your efforts. Setting clear goals, like hitting 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and even 1 million subscribers, keeps you focused and motivated. Each milestone is a stepping stone. Reinvesting your earnings is crucial. Think better equipment, hiring skilled editors, and enhancing production quality. This not only elevates your content, but accelerates your growth. And don't forget about diversifying your income streams. Relying on just one revenue source can be risky. Explore sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. This way, you build a stable financial foundation while your channel thrives. Many successful YouTubers have turned their passion into multi-million-dollar brands by following key strategies. Take Graham Stephan, for instance. With a net worth over $10 million, he leverages his finance expertise to educate and engage his audience. Then there's Mr. Beast, whose viral challenges and philanthropy have skyrocketed his wealth to over $100 million. His secret? Creating content that resonates and gives back. And let's not forget Marques Brownlee, the tech reviewer who built a $40 million empire by consistently delivering high-quality, insightful reviews. Their journeys highlight that with persistence, strategic planning, and smart monetization, YouTube can truly be a pathway to financial freedom and lasting wealth. It's all about finding your niche and connecting with your audience.